this December on Animax. The Do-Over Damsel conquers the Dragon Emperor from 15th December, Mondays to Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m. Night of the Living Cat from 24th December, Wednesdays to Fridays at 10:30 p.m. Windbreaker from 26th December, Thursdays and Fridays at 7:30 p.m. The Red Ranger becomes an adventurer in another world from 29th December, Mondays to Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m. This December, only on Animax.
Ito ay commercial tungkol sa commercials! Nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit 99.9% lang ang germs na napapatay ng alkohol? Hindi dahil may pasaway na germ na ayaw mamatay. May code on responsible advertising na gumagabay sa lahat ng advertisers. Bawat claim binubusisi para sa ikabubuti ng Filipino consumer. Kapag di totoo, no go. May standards kami. Kaya may Ad Standards Council. Learn more at asc.com.ph.